Welcome back to our channel. It has attracted attention from various media around the world over the appearance to the public of Turkey's latest advanced stealth fighter jet named Kaan. Finally, this fifth-generation fighter aircraft successfully underwent its first flight test on Wednesday, February 21, 2024. The launch of the aircraft marks a significant step towards its service introduction plan for the future of a stronger Turkish Air Force. The success of the Kaan's maiden flight has placed Turkey as one of the few countries capable of producing fifth-generation fighter jets and made it a historic moment for the country. Previously, this fighter jet was known as TFX. However, now officially renamed Kaan, the name comes from Turkish, which means ruler or king above kings. Although designed to be an air superiority fighter, the Kaan also has the advantage of performing ground attack missions, as well as its service limits to being able to operate in all weathers, so the ability to strike targets at high altitudes increases its overall combat efficiency. The Kaan fighter is expected to meet the performance benchmarks of modern fighter jets. Thanks to the twin afterburning turbofan F110 engines made by GE General Electric Aerospace embedded in the aircraft, the fifth-generation fighter jet is expected to have a maximum take-off weight MTOW of 27,200 kilograms and have a range of over 3,000 kilometers and have an impressive combat radius of around 1,000 nautical miles. Having dimensions with a wingspan of 14 meters, a height of 6 meters, and a length of 21 meters, this fighter jet is claimed to be able to glide through the air at a maximum speed of Mach 1.8 and is capable of flying at an altitude of 55,000 feet. From this altitude, the pilot can operate effectively in the air for a smooth target mission. This capability, coupled with the Spirit kitchen that produces afterburner thrust of 29,000 pounds, so the fighter jet can maneuver very well above the clouds. Then, for its armament, the Kaan fighter jet can utilize the internal weapon space. However, details on the number of weapons that can be carried simultaneously have not been given specific data. As we have noticed, of course, these fifth-generation modern fighter jets can carry various combinations of air missiles to air targets and aerial fire to surface targets, as well as together with lethal bombs and other weaponry. This depends on the role and combat mission planned. No wonder it is called a stealth fighter. Kaan has advanced features that make it superior to other fighter jets. Like the incorporation of AI technology, the system can work effectively for decision-making in every second in combat situations. As for some other modern features, it is equipped with high-performance radar, electronic warfare systems, electro-optical capabilities, and advanced communication systems. The Kaan canopy design, which opens downwind, offers advantages in terms of reducing the aircraft's radar cross-sectional area. Design choices on the aircraft, along with other stealth features, help minimize the reflection of radar waves, thus making the aircraft less visible to enemy radar systems. This allows pilots to monitor airspace effectively, without having to control the aircraft directly. The Kaan manufacturing project began in 2016. The fifth-generation fighter jet was developed by Turkish Aerospace Industries and also in cooperation with BAE Systems. Turkish Aerospace Industries is expected to deliver the fighter jets to the Turkish Air Force Command in the next few years. On its first successful launch, the fighter jet was seen as a demonstration of Turkey's progress in defense technology under the leadership of President Recep Tayyip Erdogan. The importance of the Khan fighter jet to the country's military capabilities will play an important role in Turkey's military strategy to increase the country's air superiority. This achievement is not only about national pride, but also shows the progress of technology and human resources for the country. In fact, the production of this advanced fighter aircraft is aimed at replacing aging F-16 fighter jets, as well as to reduce the Turkish military's dependence on foreigners, especially in the provision of the main means of defense systems. On the other hand, if we compare it with the US F-35 Lightning II, the Khan is considered a potential competitor because it offers similar capabilities and is more cost-effective because of its much lower cost. It is estimated that the price of the aircraft sells for around 50–70 million per unit, and of course cheaper if we compare the price of the F-35, which is more than $100 million per unit. The Khan fighter is a milestone in the capabilities of the domestic defense industry. You see, Turkey has attracted the international attention of other countries such as Pakistan, which expressed interest in participating in the program. In addition, Azerbaijan has also signed a collaboration protocol with Turkish aerospace industries to support the development and potential co-production of elements of the fifth-generation fighter jet.